pressure. Today gonna be a great day. Hey, listen, I want you to know, like, pour into yourself before you go rush to a job. Like, literally, I mean that to the point where, like, in the black community, like, we are taught at a young age that rushing to work or waking up to go rush to be controlled by the system, basically. Like, and I say that to the point where, like, we don't understand how important it is to invest into ourselves more than we invest into a job. If a person think that spending 50 hours a week into investing in someone else's dream instead of investing into their own dream, that's a mental health issue if you ask me. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, most people most people in the black culture is like assume that selling drugs or working a job is the only way to go. Not all, but most. And like, to be honest, like, the best choice I ever made, the best decision I ever made in life was pour into myself and focus on healing myself internally, meaning to the point where mentally, emotionally, and physically. Like, it's insane, like, that we think that is okay to spend more time at work than with our children. Like, most people think that our kids act up just out of nowhere. No, they follow what we do automatically. Like, seriously. So basically, like, my main goal and the objective is to open a school to teach that you don't need to go to school. You don't need to basically work a state job or work for anybody but yourself. Long as you pour into yourself first, though. Like, literally, you can't start anything if you don't pour into yourself first. And I mean that to the point where, like, I'm not working no 50 hours a week for at least, I want to say, 2,500 if I can make 2,500 in a day. Like, literally, we don't think like that. Our mindset shrinks due to what we assume. And basically, like, I always make sure I say this, like, a dumb person cannot play intelligent, but an intelligent person can play dumb. And everything that you see may not be true, but everything that you don't see, it can be true. Like, literally, like, people think that if they don't see flashy cars, flashy jewelry, a person not winning. But in all reality, I'm winning all around the board because nobody don't know what I got going on. They only know what I show them, and it's for a reason. Like, and to be honest, like, every book that I publish,